Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making ribs, except these ribs are made out of corn. Now corn ribs actually get their name from the curl ribbed-like shape they have when they're fried. We're going to be dressing them with mayonnaise, spices, cojita cheese, and cilantro. These corn ribs emulate the flavors of elote, also known as Mexican street corn. All of that made me pretty hungry, but before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now, to get started, we're going to bring a pot of water to a boil. While that boils, we can shuck and clean the ears of corn. Then place the ears of corn into the boiling water and boil for about 10 minutes. Once that finishes, you can remove the corn from the water and place it on your cutting board. You will need to let the corn rest a little because at this point it'll be a little bit too hot to handle. So once the corn is cool enough, cut off a thin slice of the thick stem end of the corn, creating a flat surface for the corn to stand. Stand the corn up and then put on a kitchen glove on your non-dominant hand. So we've got an oven mitt or kitchen glove on one hand and then the other hand free. And we're going to take that and we're going to place our knife horizontally on the corn. And then using a rocking seesaw motion, we're going to cut the corn in half. So you're really just taking the knife and kind of wiggling it down carefully to get a perfect slice off of the corn. However, during this step, you want to make sure that you're careful and you're using a very sharp knife. Cutting the corn can take some elbow grease and patience, so it's best that your knife is sharp enough to be able to make that nice clean cut. So once you finish that, you then can cut the rest of the corn, and we're going to cut each piece in half again, so that way we end up with quarters. Now in a large bowl, whisk together avocado or canola oil, lime juice, garlic powder, chili powder, smoked paprika, and onion powder. Add the corn into the bowl and toss to coat evenly. Make sure all of the kernels are fully covered. Now it's time to cook our corn. So we're going to be breaking out our air fryer. So add the corn ribs in a single layer to your air fryer basket. Cook them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes or until the corn is tender. Once they finish cooking, we are going to spread mayonnaise on top using a silicone brush. Then sprinkle on the cojita cheese, Tajin, and cilantro on top. Serve with lime wedges and enjoy. So, if you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you'll find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.